Hop into the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. Now is the perfect time to start a fresh new chapter in your traveling life. Take a closer look at this vehicle. Its design and features represent an outstanding value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering.